Did you know you can change gears in a car with a manual transmission without using the clutch? So we've got a hire van today, and it's a manual. Haven't driven a manual for ages. And changing gears with the clutch is pretty straightforward, but you can actually change gears without using the clutch. So into third, and then into fourth, all without using the clutch. So basically, if you're nice and gentle, it'll go into gear no problem. We can even step it up a notch and drive this van with only 1 foot. Sorry about the rattling around, this van is empty. So take off nice and gently by releasing the clutch. Once you get some speed up, you can start changing gears. So into third again, from second into fourth, all with 1 foot and no clutch. And we'll pull over and stall it in fourth so you know it's actually in gear. And then we'll restart and we'll do one more takeoff with just 1 foot in a manual transmission car. So restart into first, slowly let the clutch out, and then once you get going you can start changing gears. So if you've got only one leg or got an injury and you can't change gears, this will get you out of trouble. You can change gears without using the clutch. As long as you're gentle and take it easy, it'll go into gear no problem. So changing gears without using the clutch. Beauty!